Hey Cosmic Dreamer, it's Monday night. Let's see what's in the cards for your dreams for the night of August 21st, 2023. Tune in, drop into your dreaming body, connect to the intelligence of the universe. My name is Rick Aster. The card from the Voyage of the Soul Oracle is Soul. And from the Light Seer's Tarot, the card flipping over immediately is the Seven of Wands in reverse. This is about being true to your soul, I feel. The Seven of Wands in reverse can be about the issues around protection. You see the bubble there. Maybe you have sort of a protective bubble about yourself. Now you're going to get outside the bubble and see what the nature of the universe is, and that also means discovering the nature of yourself, your soul nature. And so look for a dream that has a surprisingly direct experience, an aha moment where you say, oh, that's who I am, and that's what's around me here. The advantage of this more direct experience of the universe is that you discover what the possibilities are, what you can go and do. Your free will starts to really mean something. Sweet dreams, Cosmic Dreamer.